I saw you refreshing there by the river. How does it feel?
It's wonderful. It's beautiful. The water is lovely. I wish we could go for a swim. It's a beautiful day to do that.
The temperature, it's okay?
It's wonderful. I was surprised how beautiful and clean the water is, because in the United States, where we're from, you don't really find usually water like this near a city that you can just swim in.
Okay, if we go back to your band, you use the word Kokolo as the name of your band in the terms to get rid of the negative notation of the word itself with your music. Do you think you succeeded?
I think so. I think the band is, we've created a lot of good vibe through our performances and through our music around the world. We've been very lucky to go to 27 countries over the last 10 years. We've been together 10 years now. And I think, you know, when we play in front of people, people connect and dance. It doesn't matter the language, it doesn't matter their age, it doesn't matter the color. They just combine on the music. So I think we've accomplished that, and we've been lucky.
You're celebrating your 10th anniversary. Do you have any special memory about these past 10 years? Something that comes in mind right now?
I think being in Slovenia is one of them, for sure. Like, I would have never thought that when we started the band back in New York that we would come to places like this, beautiful places, and meet such nice, lovely people. So we've been very, very lucky.
You're on tour at the moment, so tell us, how does it feel to be with all these guys kind of 24/7?
Well, it's tough when they sleep. Some of them snore a lot, and some of them get cranky in the morning, so it's like a family. And you have the uncle that is a little weird in the morning, then he's okay in the afternoon, so everybody has their own personality. But I think we come together because we love what we do, and we understand that it's a wonderful thing, once again, when you transmit something to people and people react and you uplift them. I think it's a very fortunate thing to be able to do that. In music, it's one of the things that I think is more crucial. A lot of people play music, but a lot of times they can't connect. So for us to have gone and do that, I think we did what we wanted to do. So
touring probably must be fun. Otherwise, you probably have to stop it. What do you think about it?
Well, touring is very fun. I think but it's not for everybody. I mean, I think most people only look at the glamorous side of touring, the traveling and the meeting, which is fantastic. But also, you have to be able to understand that you're going into different cultures, different people's points of views, and you have to have an open-minded. So I think in order to be a touring musician, I think you have to have a certain mindset to be accepting of people and to learn, because it's a school. So we basically, every time we tour, we're going to a new school and we meet new people and learn and try to grow as human beings.